Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the easiest hidden causes. Check your network latency and prefer Ethernet when under 50 ms. Restart the headset, your audio drivers, and the game client so device states reset. Once done, inspect NAT and firewall, open the common UDP voice ports, and aim for an open or moderate NAT. These steps stop many problems early. Make sure to test with one teammate immediately so you know whether to proceed to configuration tweaks. Now you dig into software settings that often break finals. In the operating system and in game audio menus, force the headset as the default input and output so audio routing is consistent. Choose push to talk if the venue is noisy, or enable adaptive gain control if your voice is too quiet. Also set the sample rate to 48 kHz and disable exclusive mode in the OS so apps don't steal the device. After changes, have teammates verify clarity and latency. Finish by isolating hardware and routing. Swap cables, try a second headset, and test the same account on another device to rule out a single failure point. If your ISP is blocking traffic, briefly use a mobile hotspot or trusted VPN to verify whether routing is the problem. Make sure to record a short local sample and compare what you hear on teammates versus what you recorded. That difference tells you whether the issue is send side, receive side, or network. If that fails, switch to a backup comms app immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.